Let's work out. Doing some cardio. Walking is good for the heart, baby. Taking care of this thing right here. Sure it is. A little bit of grocery shopping. Just a little bit. We've got lots of greens today. Avocados. The white seedless grapes are so good here. Got some cucumbers. Salad is on sale again, so I'm getting it. This morning, I'm taking the workout outside, enjoying the cool breeze and the sun. All of the above. 3.18 miles this morning. Don't play with me. So today is my water fast day, which means I'm not eating anything. I'm only drinking liquids, and those liquids include water. And for recovery, because I'm focused on recovery, okay, after I work out, some coconut water. That's it. That's my focus today on this Wednesday. And I work out in. Part of my recovery, y'all, is biofreeze, baby. I need to put this on my legs. After I walked yesterday, jump rope, and all the things, and then today did some things with my legs and my thighs. This is good for recovery. I'm doing something today that I haven't done in a very long time, y'all. We spinning. I'm going to a spinning class, okay? I used to cycle a very long time ago during the pandemic, baby. Pray for me. But I'm starting back. I'm exploring all things fitness, and I love this for me, okay? So the class is canceled for the day. I'm a little disappointed, I won't lie, because I was so excited to do this. And then I was walking to my car, and something said, "Miss Shannon, have your own spinning class, baby. I'm about to get on this bike. Because your girl is cute. Okay, I got on my biker shorts, got the padding for the booty. Baby, I'm about to spin, okay? I'm going to spin like there's no other spinning, okay?
I've been saving for my first house for years, but to get the best work.